Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of static integers in C. So I think the best way to do this is to first create a program without a static integer with a regular integer, and then I'm going to change it to a static integer, and I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, so I'm going to go up here, and right under my include statement, I'm going to create a function prototype for a void type function called counting function. We're not going to pass anything into this function. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the document here and create the function. So we'll say void counting function. Again, we're not passing anything into it. I'm going to declare an integer local to the function, and we'll just say it's equal to 0. And then we'll increment the integer every time we run the function by 1. And then we'll do a print statement, and we'll say %d years old, do a /n there, and then actually we don't need the /n because I'm going to write that in the main function. And then I'm going to do the age plus 25. Okay, and that'll be our function there. So let's go back up to the main here, and let's create an integer in the main called season. And then we'll create a for loop. So we'll say for season equals 1. We'll start with seasons 1, and then season is less than 16. So we'll do season 1 through 16 or 1 through 15, and we'll increment season by 1 each time through. Maybe some of you can see where I'm going with this. We'll printf in season %d, Dean is, and then we'll put a comma here and the season. Okay. And then we're going to call the counting function. And finally, we'll just printf a new line character here. And we'll save this. And at the end of the main function, we'll return 0. Okay. And we'll save it. And now we'll compile it, and I'll show you the output. Okay. And now let's run it. And you see it prints out that Dean is 26 years old in every single season. Okay, that's not quite what we want. So what we want to do is we actually want to use a static integer. Okay, so let's exit out of here, and I'll talk about what's happening. So every time I'm calling this counting function, it's setting the integer to 0 and adding 1. 1 plus 25 is giving me 26. It's not keeping track of the variable, okay? So if I change this and I say static integer age equals 0, and I don't even have to say equals 0 because its default is 0. So if I just say static integer age and save it, now when I recompile and rerun, you'll see it increments by 1 each time it's called. So it remembers the value. So that's the difference between a static integer and a regular integer, is that it remembers the value while the program is running. Okay, so it doesn't reset it. And it's not just local to the function. If you found this video informative, please give this video a like. It really does help. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.